Hey friends, in this tutorial I'll show you how to connect HubSpot to Gmail with Integrately, perfect for automatically sending emails or logging conversations without switching tools. First head over to integrately.com, then log into your Integrately account. Let's get started. Search and select HubSpot as your first app, then choose Gmail as your second. In Integrately, build your custom automation by selecting Contact is created in HubSpot as the trigger and Send email in Gmail as the action, then click Go. I've also added the direct link in the description so you can try it instantly. Next, connect your HubSpot account. After that, connect your Gmail account to authorize the connection. In the Automation Builder, configure your email by mapping the to email address field with the email data from your new HubSpot contact. Finally, switch on Test and Turn On to activate your automation. Once confirmed, every new HubSpot contact will automatically trigger an email through Gmail in Integrately. That's all for this one, HubSpot to Gmail connected through Integrately. If you'd like to try it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description below.